The Kenwood eXcelon DMX907S stands out with a nearly 7-inch capacitive touchscreen that is bright, responsive, and easy to see in a typical dashboard. Wireless and wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration work smoothly, letting you run navigation, calls, and music without constantly handling your phone. Built-in Bluetooth with modern hands-free profiles gives phone calls a clear, natural sound and keeps wireless music streaming stable. Support for high-resolution audio files, along with a 13-band equalizer and time alignment, allows very precise tuning for a noticeably cleaner and more immersive soundstage. The unit includes HD radio and is ready for satellite radio with an add-on tuner, so you can enjoy a wide range of stations with much better clarity than standard broadcasts. Thoughtful extras like adjustable viewing angles, support for phone screen mirroring, and a clean double-din fit make installation and daily use feel polished and modern.